guys, and welcome back to Hither Green TMD in O-Gauge. Now this is just a short little video. I'm having issues with my GoPro camera, so this is just being quickly uploaded on my iPad, so you know we're still here. I now have a depot full of Class 33s. The 3 new ones finally arrived from Hatton's after 5 weeks of fighting with DPD. Anyway, the courier's trying to find out where they located them and everything else. So we finally got them here, and I'll just follow this little chat with a quick slide segment of various photos of them dotted around the shed. Only 50 has got a chip fitted at the minute, so everything is just static photograph at the minute. But what has also arrived this week is the repaired and replacement chip for the Dapol 08. Reblown with the Paul Chetter one, and yeah, so that was a good service. Sent 2 chips back for a reblow with the correct sound file, and a repair to the chip that I had blown previously. So if you've got a sound chip, get hold of Digitrains. They may be able to repair it instead of binning it, and which I had done in the past with those. So yeah, that was good service from Digitrains. Not so good from the courier from Hatton's, but we'll see how we go. So the little video we'll show you is just the new 08 865, which is one that I've worked on at Who Junction. Just shunting a couple of wagons around in and out just so you can watch it drive around. So I haven't made the lamp yet. I've done a dry run with the lamps for the design, so I know what I'm doing and how we're going about it. So that video will be next, and I have a couple of days off next week. Providing that all goes to plan, I'll get that done, but just been rushed off my feet with other stuff. The aircon stopped working. I'm just absolutely streaming in heat. I'm not wanting to do much when I get home. Waiting for parts under warranty from Samsung to sort that out, and vehicles. So it's been one of those months, but we'll get there. We will get there with these models and make a start with the shed. It's all coming soon, promise. So enough of me waffling on. Enjoy the photos and the 08 running around the yard, and I'll catch you next time. See ya.